Hello everyone, how are you all? So I hope all of you would be doing really good. So the final days of testnet are going on, and today we bring to you one of the very important videos of important current affairs October to फरवरी 2022. So इस वीडियो में हम अक्टूबर से लेके फरवरी तक के जितने भी important current affairs हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. So प्लीज वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा ताकि आप सारे current affairs को नोट कर ले. This will definitely help you in your exams of testnet and CMAT. So let's start with current affairs, October 2021. So we had our number one topic is Nobel Prize 2021 winners. So actually Nobel Prize जो था वो 1901 में start हुआ था. So इस साल जो Nobel Prize दिया गया है, these are the categories of psychology or medicine. So this has been won by David Julius and Ardem Patapotian. Then in physics, Sukru Manabe, Klaus Hasselmann and Giorgio Parisi. Then if you talk about chemistry, then Benjamin List and David W.C. Macmillan. If you talk about literature, then Abdul Razak Gurna. Then if you talk about peace, then Maria Ressa and Dmitry Murutov. And then economics and science, David Card, Joshua D. Engrist and Guido W. Imbish. तो इन सारे लोगों को इस बार नोबेल प्राइज 2021 मिला है. So please note these all. और फर्स्ट इंडियन टू रिसीव नोबेल प्राइज वाज रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर और उन्हें लिटरेचर में मिला था 1913. Very relevant information. Please pause the video and note everything here. Okay, let's move ahead. So this has also happened in mid October. Lewis Hamilton became the first Formula 1 driver to win 100 races. तो ये जो लुइस हैमिल्टन जो Formula 1 के काफी फेमस ड्राइवर हैं, so he has now won 100 races. और ये रिकॉर्ड इन्होंने कहाँ बनाया है? This record he has made in Russian Grand Prix. So Russian Grand Prix में he has made this tremendous record of winning 100 races. So this was the very important news of October 2021. After that, this was early October and late September. So PM पोषण स्कीम, so नेशनल मिड डे मील स्कीम जो हमारे चाइल्ड्स को मिड डे प्रोवाइड करती है, मिड डे मील्स प्रोवाइड करती है. सो उसका नाम जो है वो बदल के अभी पीएम पोषण स्कीम कर दिया गया है. सो नेशनल मिड डे मील स्कीम इज हैज नाउ रीनेम्ड एज नेशनल स्कीम फॉर पीएम पोषण इन स्कूल्स. और इस स्कीम के अंडर में, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट, 11.80 करोड़ चिल्ड्रंस covering 11.2 lakh schools will be covered. So almost 12 करोड़ चिल्ड्रंस हम 12 लाख स्कूल के अंदर कवर करेंगे. सो मिड डे मील का नया नाम है पीएम पोषण स्कीम. दिस वाज बीइंग डन इन लेट सितंबर एंड अर्ली अक्टूबर. Then if we talk about Dada Saheb Phalke Award, so 2021 का Dada Saheb Phalke Award was given on 25th of October. This was the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award and this was given to superstar Rajnikant. So Rajnikant has won the Dada Saheb Phalke Award of 2021. So you can note this answer. First Dada Saheb Phalke Award, look, this is also very important to note that first Dada Saheb Phalke Award was given to Devika Rani and this was given in 1969. So these all information are very important for you. So please note these all. Let's move ahead. So two new teams of IPL been announced. So number one will be Ahmedabad, number two will be Lucknow. So this was done in 2021 October. So Gujarat Titans is the official name of new Ahmedabad franchisee. So the owner of the name, owner का नाम बहुत important है, note कर लीजिएगा. CVC Capital, owner of Gujarat Titans. And Lucknow Super Giants is the second team और इनके जो owner का नाम है वो है RP संजीव गोयनका ग्रुप. सो इन लोगों ने गुजरात टाइटंस और लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स को बाय किया है. सो सीवीसी कैपिटल्स ने बाय किया. अहमदाबाद फ्रेंचाइजी जो बाय हुई है वो 5,625 करोड़ में और लखनऊ फ्रेंचाइजी हैज बीन बॉट इन 7,7090 करोड़. सो दीज टू इंफॉर्मेशन आर आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज नोट दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर. देन फेसबुक नेम हैज बीन चेंज टू मेटा. Earlier Facebook का नाम Facebook था. Now the name has been changed to Meta and this announcement was made on 29th of October by CEO Mark Zuckerberg. So now the name of Facebook has been changed to Meta. This is also very important current affairs of October. Let's move ahead. Booker Prize of 2021. So this was being given to the book name The Promise. book का नाम है The Promise और writer का नाम है Damon Galgut. एंड जो डेमन गेलगट है ही बिलोंग्स टू साउथ अफ्रीका. सो साउथ अफ्रीका को बिलोंग करते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो रिगार्डिंग बुकर प्राइज. सो यू कैन नोट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट. लेट्स मूव अहेड. फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन रेसलर टू विन सिल्वर मेडल. सो हर नेम इज अंशु मलिक. अंशु मलिक हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन player to win the first woman wrestler to win the silver medal, and she has won this in 57 kg category. 57 kg category mein she has won this very reputed award, and she has won this award in Oslo, Norway. So इन्होंने award कहाँ जीता है? इन्होंने award जीता है Oslo, Norway में. So you can note this that she has become the first woman to win the silver medal in wrestling. Let's move ahead. Now we have some other current affairs important also. You can note them. First Indian district to become fully vaccinated is Kinnaur, Himachal Pradesh. Then Mitra Shakti, it's a joint military exercise, India and Sri Lanka. So 8th edition of Mitra Shakti took place in October. Then first ever alcohol museum in India. This was set up in Goa. IPL 2021 was being conducted. So the winner of the team was Chennai Super Kings. And Kabaddi Premier League was also being done. Uske winner hai Bengal Warrior. Champions League Football 2021 winner is Chelsea. IPL 2021 player of the tournament name is Harshal Patel, and rank of India in Global Food Security Index 2021. So this index was also being news in October. So India की rank है 71st rank in Global Food Security Index, and उसके बाद में Indian nomination for Oscar. This is also very important कि इंडिया का nomination जो Oscar में है name is Koos Hangal. So जो movie का नाम है वो है Koos Hangal. So please pause the video and note these important, very important information. Let's move ahead and discuss November 2021 current affairs. So if we talk about November, then number one is Cricket Advisory Committee of Miss Sulakshana Nayak and RP Singh. They have named Mr. Rahul Dravid as the head coach of India. So head coach of Team India is now Mr. Rahul Dravid. Previous coach was Mr. Ravi Shastri. And now the new coach of National Cricket Academy is VVS Lakshman. He is being announced in December 2021. So this you can also note. But the most important thing is Mr. Rahul Dravid. He has been selected as the head coach of Team India. So this is also very important news on November. Now we come to one important information of books and authors. So Sudha Murthy's book named The Snake with Two Horns. So this book was published in November 2021 and the author was Sudha Murthy. And now again another important news is Children's Climate Prize Award. So this award was given on 19th of November, and this award has been won by Indian origin teen Reshma Kosaraju. So she is a 15-year-old child from Saratoga, US. So she has won this Children Climate Prize Award. So this is also one of the very important award being won by a children. So these two informations are also important to note down. You can please note this. Now we move ahead. So in November, one more important thing has happened that China has launched world first Earth science satellite और उसका नाम है Guangmu. So first world की पहली Earth science satellite Guangmu उसका नाम है. This has been launched by China from Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center. So you can note this information. And then the next important thing is कि India की rank 18th आई है Global Drug Policy Index. So this was also being released in November 2021. Global Drug Policy Index, and the India's rank is 18th in this index, and the top countries are Norway, New Zealand, Portugal, and United Kingdom for this Global Drug Policy Index. So you can note this important information. You can note these both two important information. Let's move ahead. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award November 2021. Guys, this is very important to note down. Neeraj Chopra Javelin, Ravi Daya Wrestling, Sunil Chhetri Football, Mithali Raj Cricket, Prish Rajesh Hockey, Lavlina Borgohain Boxing. Then we have Pramod Bhagat Para Badminton, Avni Lekhar Para Rifle, Sumit Antil Para Javelin, Krishna Nagar Para Badminton, Manish Narwal Para Pistol Shooter, and Manpreet Singh Hockey. So total these many awards were being given at Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. Please इसको सबको नोट करके आपको याद करके जाना है अपने एग्जाम के लिए. These are very important to note down. Let's move ahead. ICC T20 World Cup are also being conducted. So ICC T20 World Cup का winner है ऑस्ट्रेलिया और player of the tournament का नाम है डेविड वार्नर. So you can note this also. This is also very important news. Let's go ahead. The current Chief of Naval Staff is Admiral R. Hari Kumar. So he has been recently being appointed on 30th of November 2021 as new Chief of Navy Staff. Name is Admiral R. Hari Kumar. So you can note this important information. And now again, Oxford Word of the Year 2021. So Oxford का Word of the Year क्या है? So its name is Wax. So Wax is the Oxford Word of the Year 2021. Very important to note down. You can note this as important. Word of the Year of Oxford is Wax. So let's move ahead and discuss next thing. Other important current affairs of November 2021 are the Indian Museum to Earth is started in Uttar Pradesh. 41 science expedition to Antarctica. This is also launched by India. Now, richest nation in the world according to McKinsey and Company. So, McKinsey and Company ने recent एक report publish करी है. तो richest nation of the world is China. Countries which is changing color of its national flag. So, this is also very important news कि कोई country अपने national flag का color change कर रही है. And the name of the country is France. New chairman of ICC Men's Cricket Committee, Saurav Ganguly. And now Shakti 2021, this is a military exercise between India and France. So this has taken place in November. And now Smart Policing Index 2021. So Smart Policing Index 2021 का जो release हुआ है. So first position is held in India by Andhra Pradesh. So you can note this important information. You can pause the video and note all them. Let's move ahead, and if you like our content then please like our video, share this video ताकि और भी लोग इस वीडियो का benefit ले सकें, and please subscribe to our channel in order to receive latest update from us. Let's move ahead, and now we discuss December 2021. So now the first important news is PETA Person of the Year award. So this award has been won by Alia Bhatt. So she is the PETA Bollywood star. Alia Bhatt has become the PETA India Person of the Year award, and full form of PETA, please remember this: People for Ethical Treatment of Animals. This is the full form of PETA. Another important news is that Belgium has said on December 23, 2021 that it will close all its nuclear power plant by 2025. So this is also very important news that Belgium will close all its nuclear power plant by 2025, and this announcement has been done on 23rd of February by them. Let's move ahead. Kitambi Srikanth has become the first person. He scripted history by becoming first Indian male shuttler to claim silver medal in World Badminton Championship. So this is very proud moment for India that Kitambi Srikanth has become the first person to win a silver medal where in World Badminton Championship, and this has happened where this has happened in Spain. So this event took place in Spain in December 20. Kitambi Srikanth has won this World Badminton Championship. Then we have very important Harnaaz Sindhu win the Miss Universe 2021 title. She is from Chandigarh, and we can also remember that Lara Datta also won this in 2000, and Shushmita Sen also won this in 1994. All information is very relevant in this. Please pause the video and note this information. Let's move ahead. On 17 December, what happened that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was given the Bhutan's highest civilian award. Name of the award is Order of the Druk Gyalpo. So this is the name of the award, and on 17th of December, this award has been given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Bhutan's highest civilian award. Then we have Alina Nair has been made as the CEO of Channel, a French luxury brand. So this was also in news that Lina Nair has now been made the chairman of Channel Company. This is a French luxury brand. You can note this. This is also very information related to women empowerment. Women empowerment से related काफी important है ये. Let's move ahead. Now we will discuss about the Ramanujan Prize. So Ramanujan Prize of Mathematics, this has been given to Neena Gupta this particular year, and Neena Gupta is actually a professor at Indian Statistical Institute in Kolkata. So she has won this important, very important prize, very prideful prize of mathematics. And now we have another news that Olaf Scholz has in German policy. So he has taken as Chancellor of Germany, Olaf Scholz. So he has taken as Chancellor of Germany from 8th of December 2021. Earlier, the Chancellor was Angela Merkel, and now this award, this particular position is being held by Olaf Scholz. So you can note both this information. Let's move ahead and discuss other important current affairs. So 2021 Ballon d'Or Golden Ball is given to Lionel Messi. World most expensive city to live according to EIU is Tel Aviv. Best airport in India. This award has been given to Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. Third bowler of the world. So this is sports very important news. Third bowler of the world to take 10 wickets in an innings. So his name is Ejaz Patel. Other two are Jim Laker and Anil Kumble. Now, who has won 57 Gyanpith Award 2022? His name is Damodar Mauzo. And rank of Nirmala Sitharaman in Forbes 100 most powerful women is 37. And the number one is Mackenzie Scott and Kamala Harris. This is very important news. The rank of Nirmala Sitharaman in Forbes most 100 most powerful women. And Forbes richest person is Larry Page, Sergey Brin and Mukesh Ambani on number 3. World first paperless government is being set up in Dubai. And Times 2021 Athlete of the Year award is given to Simon Bliss. This is also very, very important news of sports that Simon Biles is given the Times 2021 Athlete of the Year award. She has a total of 32 Olympic and World Championship medals. These informations are very, very important. Please note all of them. And let's we move to January 2022 current affairs. Number one is Alka Mittal has become the first ever woman chairman of ONGC. So she is the first woman to head ONGC. This is very important information. And now on 7 Jan, Caribbean nation Antigua and Barbuda. So he has joined International Solar Alliance's 102nd member. So Antigua and Barbuda is the Caribbean country which has joined International Solar Alliance. This is also very good news. Now India's first indigenous microchip name is Shakti. This has also been in news recently. And then Mamta Beyond 2021. This book is been published by HarperCollins. It is the publisher of the book, and this book is written by Anubhava Sinha. So this announcement was made on 5th January 2022 that this particular book Mamta Beyond 2021 will be published. So this is very, very important news. Both news, Mamta Beyond 21 and India's first microprocessor chip. Now, National Science Day, we all know, is celebrated on 28th February 2000. Every year it is celebrated. And the theme of National Science Day 2022, this theme was being announced in January 2022. And theme of this year of National Science Day is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. So this is the theme of National Science Day 2022. Please remember this, National Science Day is celebrated in order to celebrate discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist C.V. Raman. Very, very important news. You can note this all. Let's move ahead and discuss Henley Passport Index 2022. This was being announced that India's rank has now been shifted to 83 position. In last year, India's rank was 90. Now India's rank has been shifted to 83 in Henley Passport Index 2022. Another important news is that Laksh Sen has won the first men's single at India Open 2022. Laksh Sen has won this very, very prestigious award on 17th of January. That men's single title of India Open. This has been won by Laksh Jain. Let's go ahead and we discuss our next topic, that book has been announced to be published on Mr. Ratan Tata, and the book name will be Ratan and Tata, the authorized biography. This book will be released in November 2022, but the announcement of this book has been made in January 7, 2022. Another important news related to Tata is that the Tata Consultancy Services has partnered with Canada Running Series to become the new title sponsor of Toronto Waterfront Marathon. So the official title sponsor of Toronto Waterfront Marathon will be TCS. This is also very, very good important news. So you can note this. Let's move ahead. New book title, A Little Book of India. So this has been announced, and the author of this book is Ruskin Bond. Little Book of India celebrating 75 year of independence. Very, very prestigious author Ruskin Bond. Another very important news is that the Kerala High Court is all set to become India's first paperless court. So this is also was in news that Kerala High Court will become the India's first paperless court, and everything will be done on computer screen. All the files will be shared on computer screen. So this smart courtroom of that has been started in 1st January 2022. So you can note this, Kerala High Court is all set to become India's first paperless court. Let's go ahead. Golden Globe Awards has been announced in 10 January 2022. So you can, this is the 79th edition of the award. Famous two movies were The Power of the Dog and The West Side Story. They have won the most number of awards in Golden Globe Awards. So you can note this. Let's move ahead. Then Dada Sai Phalke Award. This list has been recently being announced for 2022. Film of the Year Pushpa, Best Actor Shersha, Best Film Shersha, Best Actor Award Ranveer Singh, Best Actress Kriti Sanon, Critics Best Actor Siddharth Malhotra, Best Actor in Supporting Role Satish Kaushik, and Lifetime Achievement Award has been given to Asha Parekh. Very, very important to note. So you can note all this. Other important current affairs are 24th Director General of Indian Coast Guard. This has been Mr. Virendra Singh Pathania. CEO Vistara Airline. This has recently been changed. Vinod Kannan is the new CEO. President Ramnath Kovind announced 384 Gallantry Award on 26 Jan 2022, that is Republic Day, very, very important to learn. FIFA Best Player Men's is Robert Lewandowski. FIFA Best Women Player 2021, Alexia Putellas. Ramnath Goenka Award, Jisan A. Latif. Raman Magsaysay Award 2021, Robert Ballon in Philippines. And Pulitzer Prize Award is Darnella Frazier. So this is also very, very important current affairs. You can note all of them. Now we come to our last topics, current affair 2022. So first geological park of India will be set up in Lamheta, that is Jabalpur, in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. And Facebook has partnered with FICCI to enable 5 lakh women-led SMBs. And Bollywood star Akshay Kumar has been appointed as brand ambassador of Uttarakhand. So Akshay Kumar is now the brand ambassador of Uttarakhand. Lamheta, Jabalpur will be India's first geological park. So you can note all of these information. Let's move ahead. Dr. Unni Shankar Nair. So he has become the director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Recently on 7th of February 2022, Dr. Unni Krishnan Nair has become the director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Moreover, India flag bearer will be Arif Muhammad Khan in Winter Olympic 2022. First bullet train station of India will be Surat. This has also recently been announced. So you can note all of this. Let's move ahead. China has won AFC Women Asia Cup 2022 football tournament. This has been won by China. And now a new statue of equality. This has been made, also known as Ramanuja statue. So this has also been made in Hyderabad Municipal, and this has been inaugurated on 5th Feb 2022. Statue of Equality with Ramanuja statue. So you can note both of these. Let's move ahead. Richest person of Asia on Feb 2022 9. So Mukesh Ambani has become the 10th on 10th spot according to Bloomberg Billionaire Index Global List, and he is the richest man of Asia now with net worth of 89.2 billion, and he has surpassed Gautam Adani 86.3 billion. And Union Minister of Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari will be facilitated as the Madha Rao Limia Award on 10th February 2022. These two informations you can note down. So if you like our particular video, then you can share this video to your friends and subscribe our channels for other informative content. So we wish all the best to you for your upcoming TISNET and CMAT examination. I hope this video will be proof helpful to you. So all the best to everyone. Thank you very much.